Hello STARRY-SALVIN lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Big Starry. So on today's video I'll be teaching you how to produce perfume spray, high quality perfume spray guys. Let's get started. So I have my clean mixing bowl. I'm using disposable plates as my mixing bowl here. You can use anything but let it be plastic, okay? I use methanol as my base. So this perfume spray is strictly for fabrics, not for your skin, please. We're using methanol. If you use IPA, you can use for your skin, but we're using methanol, so it is strictly for your fabrics, okay? I measure 50 ml of methanol into my mixing bowl, and then I'll add my propylene. 50 ml. I'll add my propylene oil. Propylene helps to sustain the scent of your perfume, but if you add it too much, it can stain your fabric. So normalize using small quantity of it during your production. In this production, I am using 5 ml of propylene oil, and I use my base notes. I am using Creed Adventus as my base notes. Yes, use strong perfume concentrate as your base notes so your perfume can last longer. I use Dunhill and Happiness as my middle notes. I blend the two perfume oils together and I use for my production. It's very nice. You can do that. You can choose to blend your top notes. You can choose to blend your middle notes anyhow you want it, but in this case I am blending my middle note. Do you understand? Then when you add your middle notes stay properly, then add your top notes. Perfume is very easy. You only need to know your perfume triangle very well. So I add my top note, which is pink chiffon, 5 ml guys, 5 ml. Creed Adventus 10 ml. Dunhill and Happiness 10 ml, and then we're good. As simple as that, guys. This perfume is for a customer, so during the production I said, okay, let me do the video so my people can as well learn, you get. And here I am putting it inside a luxury bottle for my amazing customer. Use a nice bottle because packaging is very important in business, okay? Please, if this is your first time with me, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Please support your girl to grow. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I love you. Okay, for sticker, you don't need to do too much. I'm using a sticker with my brand name and my phone number. Have you seen that? So beautiful, so demure. You can do it. Try this and see you on our next video.